Myself, Dr. Niranjan R.S., Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government First Grade College for Women, Valanersipura. Now I am going to discuss about the size effects in nanosystems in nanoscale system unit. Size effects in nanosystems. Response time increases for miniaturized simple pendulum. Many artificial systems shows interesting behavior when these systems are scaled down to smaller sizes. The fundamental frequency of a simple harmonic oscillator increases for smaller systems. The frequency of the simple harmonic oscillator or simple pendulum is given by nu equals 1 over 2 pi root of g over L, where g is the acceleration due to gravity and L is the length of the pendulum. This shows that simple pendulum of length 1 micrometer will generate 1000 Hz for a time period of 1 milliseconds. Thus, miniature version of simple pendulum has a much faster response time with respect to normal pendulum, which would have a resolution of 1 second for a pendulum length of 1 meter. Size effects in case of nanosystems, that is, thermal time constant decreases in smaller systems. If a hot body temperature is greater than 0 Kelvin of heat capacity per unit volume C is connected to the cold body which is at a temperature of 0 Kelvin through a heat channel of length L, cross section A, and thermal heat capacity kTh. The rate of flow of heat from hot body to the cold body can be written as d theta by dt is equal to kth A capital T divided by L. The rate of loss of heat from the hot body at the steady state is given by d theta by dt is equal to minus Cv d capital D divided by d dt, where V represents the volume of the hot body and the negative sign indicates that loss of heat from the hot body. If we compare these two equations, then what we get is minus Cv dt by dt is equal to kth A capital T divided by L. Both the equations are one and the same. Equate those two equations, that is above two equations. Rewrite the above equation which is equated. What we get is dt by capital T equals kth A over Lev into dt. The solution of the above equation is T equals T naught e to the power of minus small t divided by capital T th, where thermal time constant tau th is equal to LCV over kTHA. Thermal time constant strongly decreases with the size of the system because A is inversely proportional to thermal time constant. This phenomena is used for the storage of information in the system where the data bits are recorded with a resistivity heated AFM tip. The meaning of AFM means atomic force microscopy tip, and are detected by the integrated piezoelectric PZT sensors, means electromechanically coupled sensors. Using this electromechanically coupled sensors, the information is detected. This PPT is prepared using the references which are mentioned here. Thank you.